你好. To this video, I just want to talk about two usage about these characters 这 to beginners. We use the Chinese characters 这 in the sentence to express the continued action of an object or a person, such as 门开着, 老师站着, 老师站着, 学生坐着, 学生坐着, 下着雨, 下着雨. The usage of 开着, 站着, 坐着, 下着 means the verb before 这 indicates the state is maintained, although it may seem like the action is in process. 这 emphasizes the state after the action is completed. Let's learn from the examples. Class has started. The teacher is standing, and the students are sitting. 老师站着，学生坐着. Here, 坐着 and 站着 both emphasize the state maintained after the action 站 and 坐. So if we need to indicate the action is in process, we usually add 正在 or 在. So the sentence becomes to 上课了，老师正在站着，学生正在坐着. So here comes the question. Could you choose the correct words to describe this teacher? 老师拿着书，老师戴着眼镜，老师穿着裙子。Next usage, verb 这 expressing existence, indicating something in somewhere. This usage similar to the sentence structure with 有. So before we talk about 这 usage, let's briefly explore the difference between 有 and 这 when we use them to expressing existence. Here we see the decoration at the door of many Chinese families during the Chinese New Year's. We notice 年画 and 灯笼 at the door. Using 有 we say 门口有年画和灯笼. Using 这 we say 门口挂着灯笼，贴着年画. Therefore, we know we can use 这 to express the state of object more clearly. Let's practice 这 together. Here we come to the cafe. What do we see in the coffee? 3 people sitting in the coffee. So we could say 咖啡厅坐着3个人。咖啡厅坐着3个人。And what is on the table here? 桌子上放着咖啡。桌子上放着咖啡。So we could using this sentence structure to describe this room. Here we have 床、桌子、画。房间里放着床。房间里摆着桌子，墙上挂着画。Okay, today we just learned 2 usage of these characters 这 and thank you for watching my videos. I will see you next time. Bye bye.